with a school group which is visiting the museum. And it is this little story which is able to make people dream with us. And you can realize that the building is not only stones, it is also part of human emotion as us, and people, little people, and also everybody can travel with us. I like this moment when you are under the sea, when you are in the middle of the water with fish, with music, and you can dream a lot.
We thought it would be interesting to create a grid-like structure that we can kind of unleash our creativity and imagination into this space. If you look closely on the installation, you will see things like Tetris forming into dinosaurs, you will see snakes floating, you will see rain falling from the sky. So it's really up to your imagination what triggers off and what you can spot.